Everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about this amazing day cream that you can purchase on Amazon. Now, the really great thing about this is it's completely organic and natural, and you use it during the day to help your skin. Now, you use this prior to putting on your makeup, and it helps penetrate your pores, and it's going to fully absorb into your skin during the day. Now, this is going to help with wrinkles and dry skin and things like that. It works amazing. It is a really awesome skin cream, and the thing that I love about it is whenever you pump it out, you get just the amount that you need, and it smells absolutely phenomenal because of all of the natural ingredients in it. So once again, pick this up on Amazon and check out all of my reviews on my site, nonperfectparenting.com. Thank you very, very much, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.